1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Once bitten and twice shy, I keep my distance, but you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's been a year, it doesn't surprise me. Merry Christmas, I wrapped it up and sent it with a note saying I love you, I meant it. Now I know what a fool I've been, but if you kissed me now, I know you'd fool me again. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Crowded room, friends with tired eyes. I'm hiding from you in your soul of ice. My God, I thought you were someone to rely on. Me, I guess I was a shoulder to cry on, a face on a lover with the fire in his heart, a man undercover, but you tore me apart. Ooh, now I found a real love, you'll never fool me again. And last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Ooh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, thanks so much for stopping by. If you enjoyed that cover, then please do me a favor. Don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future content coming from this channel. And also, I want to thank Leolani for being today's sponsor and for allowing me to showcase this incredible T52 4G. And guys, this is my favorite model to play. I mean, the tone sounds amazing. It's very rich, warm, and dynamic. I feel inspired every time I play it. And for the price you pay for this instrument, you're just not gonna find a lot of quality anywhere else for the same price. So please consider checking out this T52 4G. Just click on that link in my description box below. Again, thanks for checking out this channel, and if you wanna hear some more music, click on that link right over there. It's gonna take you to one of my ukulele play along videos that I know you're going to enjoy, and I hope you consider breaking out your ukulele with me and play along. So click on that link right over there. I look forward to seeing you in that video.